I want to show you my garden in the setting sun. The last beautiful day of fall. Tonight the temperatures will drop to 30s, and tomorrow morning it will not look like this anymore. Look at the beauty. Enjoy. Last eggplants of this year. Round, voluptuous, healthy. We'll make some curry maybe with that eggplant. And this is the last proud sunflower. Sunflower. Masculine, very masculine, erect, proud. Very important in the garden. In a wholesome garden, everything can grow, everything has its place. This mushroom growing out of wood chips loves the last days of fall. Just looking at the beautiful peppers is so good. It's so inspiring. It lifts heaviness and darkness, that color. You look at this and you see this is wholesome, this is good to eat, this food is fire, this will elevate your spirit. Now these are not cucumbers, too late in the season. This is loofah. The frost will peel the skin off and then you make yourself a sponge. And since it's natural, nature created it, it's excellent to rub your skin with such a natural sponge. It's the touch of love. And here we have two lovers, proud in the setting sun. Beautiful. Pride of the vine. Last few days of the garden before the big frost will come and take it all down, put it asleep. But such beauty, the last harvest, the colors, it's truly medicine. It's truly reaffirming you that the world is beautiful and it's good, and there is such rich abundance, and the poverty is truly within us, not being able to see it. The garden is a great teacher. Nature is a great teacher. To be able to open the eyes and see